Di mo ko kaya dyan.
Ayaw mo ba?
Apparently, if this the same room that we had the satisfaction with.
However, the thing is, this is the 28th room, which is...
Okay, go see. What will I say? Finally. This
Ano
is...
daw? Okay, so our final venue is City Center Rotana. And then we went to check the rooms and the suites.
Ang hotel ng Rotana may teatro. Ito parang signature Asian cuisine siya.
Dito sa partition.
Oo, kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung ano. Kasi potato yan, so dito yung mag-grocery ka. Right there.
Hello guys. Hello guys. It's the day. It's August 3 and it's already 11:50 something and dapat nandun na kami sa hotel ng 12 pero malayo so makakarating kami ng 12:30 or something. Pero yeah, kind of nervous. That's my vlog. What is it? The braids? I'm gonna sing. I did asked to sing. Oh my god.
Dili mo sa isang table yung sila kuya.
Shh, don't reklamo. A mannequin. You have a mannequin there? You know the thing they use in malls where they put...
Kailan ho?
Ganda niyo po, tita.
Tita!
Oh my, tita, ang ganda niyo po. Oh my God. You're glowing kayo, tita. For the daughter.
Ganito niyo po, sobra.
Yes!
Tita, you're glowing.
I know, right? Lamig ko baka madapa ako.
Ang ganda nga po ng suot niya eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Tita, kayo na lang po mag-debut. Alam mo?
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan, it's recording ulit.
Happy birthday, Kisha!
Grabe message mo.
I'll finish it if you...
Yung dead food bills.
Happy birthday, Kisha!
Nakapag-message. Hindi, lahat kayo. Birthday message for... Ayan, for Kisha Noble.
Hi, Kisha! Happy birthday! Oh no! Go! Kisha Noble. Kisha Noble! Sana masaya ka palagi.
Okay.
Huwag naman sobrang zooming.
Oh.
Kisha, we love you so much. Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday! Ay, joke lang.
Happy birthday, Kisha. Nag-glow up ka na, hindi ka na mukhang Batman. I'm so
Ay,
proud of
ang
you.
sama. Ang sama nun.
Hindi, ang kind ko kaya, di ba hindi ka na Batman? We love you. My message is, you're turning 18.
Okay.
Ba't ako? Legal na. Boyfriend? Pwede ka na uminom ng soft drinks?
Soft drinks.
Pwede ka na
The kapatid. Kurt, your birthday message for your sister.
For ate.
Si Kurt. You're so sick, ma.
Riz. Yo, so Sigma.
Sabi mo, skibidi.
You're so skibbity.
Skibidi!
Yes.
Skibidi rin!
Guys, I'm ending the vlog.
Okay. Hindi, walang end-end.
Tanungin ko ba?
Tanungin mo.
At
Natanong mo si brother,
Kuya Raf?
si Papa,
Over there. Kita mo yung mahaba buhok?
Mama, Noble.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for
for that. And this time, I would like to formally welcome you to City Center Roxana.
We're about to get lit.
Keisha Zena at 18. And
Happy
you know,
birthday, Keisha.
they're
I would like to
outside
congratulate
waiting.
you on your
So
18th
why
birthday.
don't we
Good
stand
job,
as
this is
we
another year.
welcome first
Yours truly,
the family
the GOAT.
of the
Yes,
birthday.
Grabe, aura. That's my goat curse. Hey! 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 Sabay, sabay. Hey! 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 We should stick together. Boss, ano sabi niyo dito, boss? Boss, ano sabi niyo dito? Boss, ano sabi? Sabi pa kayo lang? Oh! Oy, PISQ days! Funny!
for coming despite na may mga plans kayo or kahit may pasok kayo bukas. Thank you for staying hanggang ngayon. Kahit 10:45 PM na.
Ikaw mababayaan sa